What's the meaning of academically? Academically. 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 The word academically means in a way that relates to studies at a college, academy, school, or other educational institution. It can also mean in a way that pertains to areas of study that are not primarily applied, such as the humanities or pure mathematics, or to instruction that is theoretical rather than hands-on. In short, academically refers to anything that is related to the world of academia and learning. Here are some examples of how the word academically can be used in a sentence. She is academically gifted and has been accepted to a prestigious university. The school's academic reputation is one of the best in the state. The professor's lecture was very academic and focused on the theoretical aspects of the subject. I am not very academically inclined, but I enjoy learning new things.